na Papa, medyo madilim ah. Nice, okay. Parang ka magpo-porn, naka-short ako. Today, unboxing lang tayo, and as you guys know, PM loves gadgets, but I love kitchen stuff. So, we have...
Huh? You love kitchen stuff. You don't even cook.
I know, I just love it. So, ngayon, dumating siya.
Sponsor ba yan?
Andito sponsor na ka ba? Walang sponsor sa atin. Dito may mag-sponsor sa atin. I wish. Sana all.
Sana meron mag-sponsor.
Don't mind the hita, FamBam. So, meron tayo. KitchenAid.
Wow!
You have to pull the bottom. Ay, pang yung pepe ko. Ay. Go home.
Ay mo yan!
I don't wanna cut the bottom.
Ay mo yan!
Dali na, hanggang struggle pa ako eh.
Struggle is real.
Hindi niya talaga ako tayan. Ay! Yeah! I'm so excited.
What do you have?
I have Miss Mama.
KitchenAid.
KitchenAid Artisan.
Yeah, and then?
I have the silver kasi ito lang yung available at the moment kasi yung iba wala na. And I don't know what is this one.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Seryoso siya.
Hindi ko talaga sure kung ano. Kasi alam ko dalawang items lang, di ba? Ah! Okay.
What?
So, kasi busy na si PM masyado at hindi na siya nagluluto. As you guys know, nagbebenta na. Nagbebenta na po kami ng mga pang-mukbang namin.
Ano yan?
This is bigger than big KitchenAid.
Ano yan?
So we have the Ninja Foodie. I don't know why it's this big.
Wow.
Okay, you have the Yankee again.
And we have... What's this?
Papa, yung legs ko. Baka maumay sila.
Oh. Pilay mo.
Ayan. Yankee.
Ah! Ang hirap ah.
Anto.
Hindi kasi pantay.
So, ewan ko kung bakit ang laki nito. Gano'n ba ito kalaki?
Ikaw
Papa,
lang.
meron ba kayo nito? Kasi kung
wala.
meron kayo, bakit ganito kalaki?
Ang laki niyan.
Ang alam ko, ganito lang
Baka
siya.
maraming styro yan sa loob.
Baka styro lang, no?
Ah.
Well, yung lalaki na nag-deliver nito is basically dropped it on the floor. Sabi niya, I'm not gonna get up there, wala kayong lift. So you have to come down.
Did you tell them meron?
Yeah. He's the only one who delivered both of this.
Yeah?
And his name is Aldo.
What?
Aldo or Alfro?
So, anong nandyan? Ba't binuksan mo agad yan? Kesa sa KitchenAid.
Special yung KitchenAid eh.
So, ano yung binili mo?
So, instruction lang. At least meron siyang manual kung paano magluto.
Paano matuto ka rin?
Para matuto rin ako. Kasi nga busy nga si PM, FamBam. So, kailangan natin ng... Oh my God, massive to ah.
Hala?
Ano ito? Pang ilang tao, FamBam, kung gusto nyo kumain.
So, may
Punta
lalagyan
lang
yan?
kayo sa bahay. So it has a separate lid. It has a lid and a separate lid. If that makes sense. So it has two lids. One is for grilling and one is for pressure cooking. Can you see it, FamBam? Don't mind the background, FamBam. We're just working. Then merong mga stuff like this. And it's massive. Wala, hindi ko alam na ganito ko ito kalaki.
Ano ko sa'yo, ba't ganyan ang laki yan?
Ang alam ko pang dalawa.
Hala?
Parang Hoover. So si Henry.
Sa over natin yan.
Parang si Henry. Di ba?
What the heck?
So, let me just make a space.
Ano yan?
This is it, FamBam. This is the Ninja Foodie. Oh my God.
Ang laki niya.
Ang laki niya, mahal. So, pwede tayo mag-party tayo, tapos dito lang natin lulutuin lahat. Pwede kang mag-grill, air fry,
Lahat.
pressure cooking and stuff. Oh, and also, the good thing is, it also comes with the menu and stuff.
Kung ano pwedeng lutuin.
Kung ano pwede lutuin. So, you can bake, you can cook rice. So,
Yung
binili
menu
namin to kasi gusto niya magluto ng rice, pero hindi naman kami magluluto ng rice.
Eh, gusto ko ng air fryer. Kasi lahat na yan, di ba?
Yeah, I can't see it.
Air fryer din yan.
Yes. And it's best, Papa. So, in the box, pareho lang pala. Ayan po yung pwedeng gawin.
So, mayroong pressure cooker, the crisp,
Tender
air
crisper.
fryer, air fry crisper, tender crisper, ano pa? Sa kabila, ano meron sa kabila?
And the good thing is daw,
Tapos pwede ka rin mag-dry up ng food dyan eh.
yeah, you can cook faster.
Mm-hmm.
That's the good thing about it. Okay, this is and 7.5 liter ang capacity niya. So, kakain tayo ng 7.
Paano
I
buksan?
don't know how to open it. I can't just yank it. Do I yank it?
Yeah, just open it, I think.
No.
Wait.
Oh, duh. So,
Anong
ito
laman?
yung part ng may air. O, griller ata to eh.
Okay.
Oh, it has two.
Yeah.
So, this is
Kung
for,
mag-air fry ka, dyan lalagyan.
yung kung ayaw nyo nang lagyan ng sauce. I think, I'm not sure. Kasi, i-review natin ito eh. Tapos, ito yung pot. You can cook stew, you can cook rice, and stuff like that. Ito yun eh. Ito yung pang pressure cooker.
So, papalitan mo yung lid.
I think so. We still need to figure out kung
Paano mo
palitan.
palitan? Bilis ang luto. Kari-kari.
Satisfying. Nakaka-satisfy. Hindi, wag to. Break
The first day, sisirain niya po.
Ayun nga eh.
Tignan mo kayo yung instructions, no?
So, rotate lid to unlock and lift away an angle to avoid splashing on a hot contact. Do not lift this, basically, it looks like this. Supposed to be. But, it's twisted, and it's supposed to lock, but it's not doing anything. So, basta ganyan siya. Ganyan siya ang look niya. And then, it comes with
Bakit
this.
yan sa loob?
And, kasama pa ng tray for extra, chicken, if you roast it, you put it in there. And I think it fits in. Pero,
Alam ko naman sa labas.
with this, I don't think it's... Sarcastic ka, ah!
Baka sa labas siya lalagay nila.
This one you put it on outside. Oh no, you don't. Not the handle.
Ay, naku.
And it's supposed to lock. Something like that. Then you can cook whatever you want to cook. Okay, I'm done with this one. Next! Thank you, next! Ito yung gusto ni PM. Ito yung gusto ko.
Anong susunod?
Susunod na kabanata.
Susunod na kabanata.
Okay.
Abangan!
So, ito yung base ka. Ilang years na kita binabag dito?
Mura mo, nakaraan lang.
Like 3 months ago?
It's not years. Wait, forever.
Wala ba? So, ito siya, FamBam. That's a good thing about it. So, pwede mo siyang gawing juicer, pasta maker, ice cream maker. Pwede ka rin magiling ng kung ano-ano. Cheese cutter. You can make your own fettuccine. Also, it comes with a lid. Yung ano ko po, yung... Kung kayo po hindi kayo nanonood, bas hindi po nanonood yung ano ko, yung kasama ko dito. You have to pull it down. Nasalan kita lang, malis ka!
Saka na. Arte, tanggal. Dali mo tanggalin.
Ang dali-dali, di pa po may katulong.
Arte mo.
Ba't mo?
Ano meron?
Kasi.
Kung magaan yan, hindi yan mahal. Nagets mo?
Sa is for kaya pala ako mabigat kasi mahal ako. So meron siyang, ang hirap naman ito tanggalin. Okay. So meron siyang
Baby, baka malaglag yung takip o.
dough hook. So you can make pandesal. Siopaw. Although if you guys wanna order some siopaw or pandesal, Ate sells him too. If you guys remember Ate Chas. She calls her creations what's that?
Chacha's favorites.
And it has this hook too. What else?
Hindi ko sila nabali. Ang punit na.
Dito ka kaya. Ang bigat talaga. Promise.
Pagod ka na. Sabi nga.
Kasi pure metal pa siya, FamBam. Kaya ang sakit sa ulo. Sakit sa ulo. Pero kailangan natin i-protect siya. Sorry, I'm so excited. Okay, so, siyempre, normal, may plug. If I can get to it. UK plug. Ang galing. How am I gonna be able to take it out? Hindi, ito, I swear dito na angat to eh.
Hindi, baliw.
Hindi nagaganon to eh. I know, pero I just don't know
Ako
where.
may pindutan.
Wait lang.
A few moments later.
Oh, lock. See? Yung whisk niya. Oh my God. Bigatin to. Mahal ko. Medyo metal ba lahat? Ang bigat. Kaya naman pala sobrang bigat. Lahat metal. And then, meron tayong dalawang bowl. One is
3 liter.
3. And the other one has
4.8. You twist it. Ulit, sabing twist nga.
I did! 4. No, this is 5.
4.8.
But it's 5. But obviously, pag siguro too much. That's it.
Tapos,
That's it. And then you obviously lock it in the pa. Ang bigat talaga, promise, mahal.
pwede mo pang workout yan. Subukan mo nga.
Ayoko.
Subukan mo!
Ayoko. And then you
Dali
open
na!
this thing.
Subukan mo!
And then you unplug it para malagay yung lahat ng extension or
Baby,
attachments.
subukan mo!
And then obviously nandito
Baby,
yung lahat ng
subukan
level.
mo.
Tapos, that's it.
Subukan mo yung workout. Go, tuto siya.
Thank you, FamBam, for watching my unboxing session.
Kung di pa kayo nag-subscribe,
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so and turn on all your notifications para po meron kayong mga random na ganito. Hope you guys...
recommended ba to?
Well, I haven't really tried them first, so I would like to try them and then we can recommend. But pretty sure this lovely thing is recommended. If you love baking, you know, baking stuff,
Subscribe na!
subscribe to our channel and turn on all your notification buttons. And as I always say in this channel, see you on the next.
Video.
Ang energetic niya, ma. Okay, bye!
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love